Now I would like to speak about escape sequence. What does it mean? It means that you can use marks like this. So if I print something like this: hello, my name is David, I am 38 years old. Okay, so if you run it, it will appear, I will do that like this, it will appear in one line. Okay, so if you need new line, you can use this escape sequence. So you will just write like this. Okay, this means new line. It's a character for new line, or the mark for new line. So I will run it again, and you can see, hello, my name is David, dot, new line, and I am 38 years old. Okay, so new line, I am 38 years old. Okay, if you need to write something like my favorite color is red, for example, again, it's one line. Okay, so I will clear it. So if you put, for example, the escape sequence like this, so it means it's tabulator. It's usually called tab, right? So I will run it, and here is the tab or the tabulator. So tabulator means, if you check your keyboard, the tab is here, right? And it's absolutely the same, like this key. Okay, great. If you need to write some marks like this and this and this in your text, it can be difficult, right? Because if you need to write something like do you know this mark, and you want to write this, okay, so there will be an error, right? But I need to ask you, do you know this mark, this? So again, you will write only like this, and this will be some special mark. So if I run it, do you know this mark? Okay, and now it's working. And this is the same with double quotation marks, and the same with slash. So do you know this mark? Slash. If you write only one slash, there will be an error again. If you write two slashes, the first means, okay, there will be some escape sequence, and after that there will be the mark which will be in the print. Okay, and you can see it here. Okay, so this is escape sequence.